Okay, other side. I think I'm going to use the scissors this time on those sides because when I used that, I kind of had it fall down. You know, I moved this down a little bit so it looks like my bricks aren't quite so straight. Tuck that in. Okay, check for Rice Krispies. Buttercream on there is okay, but you don't really want the Rice Krispies on there. All right, cool. All right, 2 more sides. Woohoo! Santa Claus is coming to town. That's right. Okay, so it's about 3 inches that I need, so I will cut right at that 3-inch mark. It's easier to actually level it at the top here and then cut off the excess at the bottom. Cool. So I'll just place this on top of this, match it up. Match it up. There we go. 3 inches. Like I cut that one tiny short. I'm just going to stretch it out a little bit. Okay. Use this to cut. Voila. Okay, there we go. All right, so the next thing we'll work on is the roof. So I've got some chocolate fondant here and a different texture mat. You're not going to see a lot of this part because it's going to be mostly snow on here. So I will just roll this out. This was chocolate fondant that I actually mixed with some white fondant. So it does have a little bit of a marbleization to it. Okay. This actually works better if you actually put it inside here. Okay, that looks pretty cool, huh? And I'll just do this. I'll just cut it here. And anything else I can cover with snow. And I probably only need half of this one. I'm just going to cut that off. And we'll just put it different areas. So we've got some shortening here. And on this, I'm just going to put some shortening. I don't have as big of a gaps to fill in on that. So, and I'll even bend this around. And then this part right here, I'll just cut that and put snow there. Why not? So I'm going to put this in different areas, so maybe I'll put a little here. And then roll out another piece. I always like to do that, dump the mat out and kind of flex the mat. I'll put this on the side. Okay, probably just a small one over here, and then the rest is going to be snow.